inside a modern limestone desert residence. Interior design, trends 2026. In the fast-evolving landscape of high-end architecture, the year 2026 marks a decisive shift away from cold, clinical minimalism. For years, sleek white quartz and reflective synthetic surfaces dominated modern estates, creating spaces that felt clean yet emotionally distant. Today, a new philosophy is emerging at the intersection of natural geology and modern spatial design: the rise of the modern limestone desert residence. Unlike engineered stone, natural limestone carries millions of years of Earth history within its pale, creamy layers. Formed by ancient marine sediments, its soft, matte texture absorbs sunlight rather than reflecting it, creating a serene, grounded atmosphere. When applied generously across monolithic walls and floating architectural elements, limestone softens the sharp, geometric lines of modern construction, giving the home an effortless, timeless soul. The architecture of a modern desert residence relies entirely on the interplay between heavy mass and soft, shifting shadows. In harsh, arid climates, limestone acts as a powerful thermal buffer, keeping interior temperatures cool while reflecting the intense exterior heat. Deeply recessed floor-to-ceiling glass panels are positioned strategically to cast long, sweeping shadows across textured stone corridors as the desert sun traverses the horizon. To prevent a large limestone home from feeling visually monotonous, 2026 interior design trends prioritize subtle material layering. Warm sand-tone plaster ceilings mirror the soft beige hues of the stone below, while brushed bronze fixtures and dark oxidized metal accents introduce a refined modern edge. Every material choice is deliberate, designed to celebrate raw, tactile beauty without cluttering the architectural vision. To complement the cool, tectonic weight of the limestone, architects introduced rich warm walnut or light white oak millwork. Custom slatted wooden ceilings, hidden pantry doors, and floating bedroom headboards bring organic warmth to the living quarters. This precise balance between hard natural stone and soft, warm timber forms the foundation of what top designers call organic structuralism. Defining modern luxury in 2026 is the total elimination of visual boundaries between the interior sanctuary and the surrounding landscape. Large pocketing glass doors retract completely into the limestone walls, transforming the primary living room into an open-air pavilion. The seamless micro-cement and limestone slab flooring extends uninterrupted directly onto the outdoor pool deck, creating a continuous flow toward the desert landscape. As dusk settles over the desert, the lighting design completely alters the home's emotional character. Instead of harsh overhead spotlights, invisible LED channels concealed behind limestone ledges and beneath floating cabinetry cast a warm, low-glare wash of light. The soft illumination highlights the micro-textures of the hand-carved stone walls, transforming the architecture into a dramatic evening sanctuary. At the heart of the residence lies the open-plan kitchen, anchored by a massive monolithic limestone island carved from a single block of quarry stone. Integrated matte black hardware, flush-mounted induction cooktops, and hidden appliance garages ensure that the workspace remains completely free of visual noise, allowing the raw, sculptural beauty of the central stone island to remain the undisputed focal point. Moving into the private quarters, the primary bathroom embraces a spa-like wellness aesthetic centered on tactile relaxation. A monolithic limestone tub, hand-chiseled from local stone, rests against a backdrop of floor-to-ceiling glass overlooking a private, walled desert courtyard. Natural skylights position soft daylight directly above the bathing area, creating a calm, ritualistic space dedicated to restoration. Building a modern residence centered around natural limestone is more than a design choice. It is an investment in permanent, timeless architecture. As global real estate trends increasingly favor authentic natural materials over synthetic alternatives, limestone homes stand out as rare, enduring assets. Thank you for joining us on this architectural tour. Subscribe for more deep dives into the trends shaping 2026 luxury living.